This is the answer. Next, true or false. First, all even natural numbers which are divisible by 3 are also divisible by 6. That is not the answer here. Even natural numbers. Okay, let me see, but I didn't see this even. Okay. So even natural numbers. Let's see. So even natural numbers means what? Ending with what? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Right? Now divisible by 3 we want. Okay. So which one? Try with the lowest numbers. Okay. Which numbers? 12, 24, then what? 6, 18, 30 are divisible by 3 and are also divisible by 6. So the answer is true. You can check any number which fits this criteria. So it will be definitely divisible by 6 also. Next, if a natural number is divisible by 21, then it is divisible by both 3 and 7. Okay. So 21 divisible by 21. It means 21 is what? 3 into 7. So it will definitely be divisible by 3 and 7. Okay. So here it's like this. If this bigger number divides somebody, then these smaller numbers would definitely divide. But vice versa is not true. If the smaller number divides somebody, this bigger number may not divide, right? Yeah. If the product divides of these, then this bigger number divides. Got it? Means if this bigger number 21 divides, then the smaller numbers are factors of them, it will definitely divide. Okay. So 42 upon 21, okay. 42 upon 3 into 7, yeah, divisible. Similarly 63, you can go on and on and on. So the answer is true. Next is true or false. AB into 4 equals to 192. Then A plus B equals to, okay. AB. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.